So here we are coming back to activity number 3, that is let's match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. 5 words have been given on both the sides, so you have to match them. First one, sums, it will match with the 4th word on column B, that is mathematical problems. Sums, mathematical problems. Number B, nodded, it will match with the last word on column B, that is moving the head up and down to say yes. Moving the head up and down to say yes. Number C, surrounded, it will match with the second word on column B, that is encircled. Encircled is the verb form of the word circle. Number D is foreigner, it will match with the first word of column B, that is someone who belongs to another country. Number E, cinema, it will match with the third word of the column B, that is movie. So I am repeating the answers. Sums, mathematical problems, nodded, moving the head up and down to say yes, surrounded, encircled, foreigner, someone who belongs to another country, cinema, movie. The activity number 4 is very easy. You have to write the suitable verb forms of the words. That you can do it yourself. So I am not giving you the answers. You do it yourself. Once it is done, we will discuss about it later on. I am moving on to activity 6. That is page 58. Page 58, activity 6. Let's complete the following sentences with information from the text. Number A, the subject that B.D. Roy taught was English. The answer will be English. The subject that B.D. Roy taught was English. Number B, the author remembers the head Pandit Bhattacharya sir for his excellent handwriting. The answer will be excellent handwriting. Number C, Ashu Babu conducted an event called music drawing. Ashu Babu conducted an event called music drawing. I hope you know the meaning of conduct. Conduct means to guide. So it will be guided. Music drawing, that means the answer that you will be writing will be within single inverted comma. You have to put a single inverted comma while writing those two words. Ashu Babu conducted an event called music drawing. Number D, the time span of the author's school life was of 6 years. Was of 6 years. Number E, the author went back to his school one more time to attend a reunion of ex-students. To attend a reunion of ex-students. So I am repeating the answers once again. The subject that B.D. Roy taught was English. The author remembers the head Pandit Bhattacharya sir for his excellent handwriting. Ashu Babu conducted an event called music drawing. Music drawing will be within single inverted comma. The time span of the author's school life was of 6 years. Number E, the author went back to his school one more time to attend a reunion of ex-students. Now I move on to activity number 7. Let's answer the following questions. These answers you have to listen very carefully because there is not a single one-line answer. You have to write properly with proper specifications, with proper informations. For that you have to write more than one sentence. So you have to be very careful and you have to listen to it very carefully. First question, how did B.D. Roy teach the pronunciation of the? So if we read the text, the answer that we find in the text, that there is no specification how it's being done. And the method, because you have to explain the method, that means you have to write not only about the usage of the word the, but also about the requirement. That means how it's being told. That means there you have to mention about telling of a story. The story that is the ox and the frog. So write the answer. B.D. Roy taught the author English in the school. B.D. Roy taught the author English in the school. Full stop. One day he told them the story of the ox and the frog from Aesop's fables. One day he told them the story of the ox and the frog from Aesop's fables. The ox and the frog, this portion will be either will be underlined or will be in single inverted comma, within single inverted comma. Full stop. Before telling that, comma, he taught them how the pronunciation of the depends on whether the following word begins with a vowel or a consonant. Before telling that story, comma, he taught them how the pronunciation of the THED within single inverted comma depends on whether the following word begins with a vowel or a consonant. I am repeating the answer. Again, listen carefully. B.D. Roy taught the author English in the school, full stop. One day he told them the story of the ox and the frog from Aesop's fables, full stop. Before telling that, comma, he taught TAUGHT them how the pronunciation PRONUNCIATION of the within single inverted comma THE depends DEPENDS on whether the following word begins with a vowel or a consonant. You will find exactly almost the same lines in the text, so nothing to worry about it. If you have missed my answers, you can write it from the text yourself. It will not be a problem at all. Number B. The number B's question is, how did the author get to be Ashu Babu's favorite? Once again, specifications have to be done. The author, comma, Satyajit Ray was not very good at sports. The author, comma, Satyajit Ray, comma, was not very good at sports. Full stop. Instead of that, instead means in place of that, INSTEAD. INSTEAD. Instead means in place of. পরিবর্তে এর জায়গায়. Instead of that, THAT, comma, he could draw very well. He could draw, DRAW. He could draw very well. Full stop. As a result, next sentence, as a result, comma, he became the favorite of their drawing teacher. Not his, because Ashu Babu used to teach the whole class, so it will be there, THEIR. He became the favorite, FAVOURITE. He became the favorite of their drawing teacher, THEIR, their drawing teacher, comma, Ashu Babu. I am repeating the answer. The author, comma, Satyajit Ray, comma, was not very good at sports, full stop. Instead of that, he could draw very well, full stop. As a result, comma, he became the favorite of their drawing teacher, Ashu Babu.